Hello and welcome to Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate. I do designing and some education here at Sallie Tomato, and I am so happy that you're back and joining me for Day 7 reveal of our 2024 Sallie Tomato Co Box. Day 7. Trendy and cute, elegant and fashionable in every way. This new design will inspire you to want to make more. As a bonus, this pattern includes an optional fruit applique design to create a chic citrus bag for the summer. We can't wait to see what you make. Share a photo on social media of your projects created from the items in this box, or show off your favorite items at #SallieTomatoBox to join in on the fun. Oh, now we get to open. Oh, that was an easy open. The Gwen. The 7th surprise in our Sallie Tomato Co Box is a revision of one of our long-time free patterns, and we show it in just a few different varieties of fabric to inspire you. We've upgraded our free circle bag pattern into a full-size pattern and have renamed it Gwen. Gwen now includes a fully finished lining, new exterior zipper pocket, and interior zipper and slip pockets. We have a few samples made in a variety of fabrics, ranging from faux leather to quilting cottons, and even adding applique. The possibilities are endless. This circular bag with its unique silhouette is a classic when using just one fabric. It's also a fun style to add surface embellishments such as machine embroidery, applique, or quilting. I hope you enjoyed today's item. This year we were inspired by the color of the year, Apricot Crush. I also hope that this color inspires you as well. If you'd like to get this pattern as soon as it debuts officially, or next year's Sallie Tomato Co Box, we've added a link below for you to sign up for any newsletters that will give the official release of the pattern and 2025's Sallie Tomato Co Box. Please share and show off your photos of your completed projects. We'd love to see your style. Be sure to use #SallieTomato and #SallieTomatoBox on social media so we can see it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a little thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for your time and have a great making day.